Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm checking out the Muvano G26 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, a powerful, lightweight machine packed with smart features. Let's check it out. First thing you'll notice is it comes with a ton of attachments, 10 in total. You've got tools for crevices, sofas, curtains, pet hair, and more. It's modular and super easy to switch out. The vacuum itself is super lightweight, and check this out, fully cordless. Fast charging, up to 60 minutes of runtime. We'll test that in a second. All right, let's put the Muvano G26 to work. I'm using Eco mode right now, good for light daily dust. Let's try it on hardwood. So medium mode is on when the machine is turned on. It's suitable for most dirt and can be used as soon as it's turned on. Press it again and the red indicator light will turn on. This is the boost mode. If your home is very dirty, you can use this mode. But if you don't need it, I wouldn't use it daily. Press it again and the blue indicator light will appear. This is the Eco mode. You can use it when there is less dirt. One of my favorite parts, the anti-tangle roller brush. Let's take a close-up look. See that? No tangled hair, even after all that mess. If you got pets, this is a game changer. What else do I love about the G26? The self-standing design. It locks itself upright so I could pause cleaning anytime. One-touch dustbin, just hit a button and dump it out, easy. The upgraded filtration system traps 99.9% of dust. And yes, it's super easy to disassemble and clean, even the roller and filters. So this vacuum is really great. The detachable battery is fantastic. It comes with the wall mount for easy charging. Simply mount it to the wall, connect it via the cord that it comes with, and simply connect the vacuum to the wall mount, hang it from anywhere, and it charges for you. It takes about 3.5 hours to charge fully. Or it also comes with a detachable battery option. You simply push this button, detach the battery, and you can charge it compactly on the go or wherever you need it. Or you can charge it on the vacuum itself. You don't even have to take the battery off. You can leave it on the vacuum and just plug it into the wall and charge it. Very convenient. If you're looking for a vacuum that's strong, smart, and pet hair friendly, Muvano G26 is definitely worth it. Grab yours using the link below in my bio. It's available on Amazon and often has great deals. After using the Muvano G26, I've honestly been impressed. In the past, most vacuums I've tried either lost suction, got tangled with hair constantly, or just didn't reach those tricky corners. But with this one, I didn't have to stop and clean out the roller even once. The anti-tangle brush really works. The power surprised me too. From fine dust to pet hair, it handled everything without switching vacuums. And being able to go cordless with up to 60 minutes of runtime, total game changer. I wasn't expecting to like it this much, but the little things like this one, like the one-touch dustbin, the attachments, or how lightweight it is, made a big difference. So if you're tired of wrestling with your old vacuum, give the Muvano G26 a try. Honestly, it made cleaning feel easier and a lot less frustrating.